Sunday, January 18, 2026, the Feast of the Santo Niño. The Feast of the Santo Niño is a happy occasion meant to celebrate the prodigality of God in our life. The feast is an invitation to us to recover our lost sense of humility, simplicity, and obedience to God. The feast reminds us of the good qualities of the Santo Niño found in every child. But it also challenges us to grow up with the Holy Child in age, wisdom, and grace. The Holy Child grows up to be an adult and has spoken against sin and evil, proclaims the heavenly kingdom without losing joy in his simple trust in his heavenly Father. Our devotion to the Santo Niño has a rich history, but it continues to present challenges to all believers to make such devotion bear greater fruits, especially in terms of our commitment towards the weak and the little ones in society, especially the defenseless children and the marginalized. Please like and subscribe.